Hey guys, if you are on your hoverboard, you guys want to speed up. First of all, what you guys want to do on your controller is go forwards, obviously, to go forwards. And then you have to press down on this, okay? So just press down so you guys feel that click, and that means you're speeding up. So again, you're going, hit down on this, and you guys will speed up. So once again, you guys can go forward, hit down, and you guys are speeding up. And that's the way to speed up your hoverboard or driftboard here in Fortnite. Okay, so you guys should be able to feel that clicking that your controller makes once you guys hit that downwards. Okay, to jump, all you guys have to do is hold A, let go of A, then you guys, what I just did right now to do backflips is just holding this back. However, you guys can just go forward. Okay, so let me just go forward a little bit. Hold A, get ready for my jump, and then let go. There's my jump. Okay, so that's a regular jump on your driftboard. Anyways, that's it for this tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.